Hello everyone, let's start with our new topic, which is our first topic, which is introduction of accountancy. It means what is accountancy starting from. Let's go through it. First of all, when we talk about accountancy, we have to understand about two things, what is bookkeeping and what is accountancy. Accountancy is a special area of knowledge. It means that we have to understand both things, what is bookkeeping and what is accountancy. हमें ये दोनों में से समझना होगा कि बुककीपिंग और अकाउंटेंसी में क्या रिलेशन है. बुककीपिंग मतलब कि हमारे जो रिकॉर्ड्स होते हैं, बिजनेस के रिकॉर्ड्स होते हैं, बिजनेस के ट्रांजैक्शंस के रिकॉर्ड्स होते हैं, उन्हें रिकॉर्ड करना इन डे टू डे. On the other hand, the accounting means the proper analysis of our bookkeeping. It means जो हमारे bookkeeping में records हैं उनका अच्छे से एनालिस करना, उसको accounting बोल सकते हैं. Let's read it. Bookkeeping refers to recording of business transactions in books of account. Which I earlier said, it means that bookkeeping is a recording of transaction of any type of transaction is bookkeeping recording. Then bookkeeping is the first part of accounting. What I said, the accounting is a basis. Account have a base of bookkeeping. Without bookkeeping, accounting is not possible. In this we include all those transactions which are related to trade and can be measurable in money value. Bookkeeping records all the transactions which have money value and which have also non-money value also. Then what is accounting? When bookkeeping is complete, the work of accounting starts. That I earlier said, when bookkeeping is complete, the work of accounting starts, because without bookkeeping, the accounting is never happens. Bookkeeping have all the records of the transactions. The following work are to be done. Okay, what is done in the accounting? Let's see it. To know the summary of classified transactions, preparation of trading P&L and balance sheet on business result. Accounting gives the classified transaction, but bookkeeping doesn't give the classified transaction. Bookkeeping gives all the bundle of transaction, but the accounting gives the classified transaction, which helps in preparing the trading and P&L account and balance sheet and the balance sheet results. Also helps in analysis and interpretation of financial results and providing useful information to concerned person, because after accounting the P&L balance sheet is prepared, and the P&L balance sheet is helpful for the users of the business, because they are the investors in the business. They have to know about the business transactions, business loyalty, business image. That's it. From this analysis prepare useful information, provide them to concerned person. Accounting, after the accounting is done, then all the transactions is given to the concerned person, and the concerned person analyzes all those transactions, and they have take decisions in investment in the business. I think it is clear that bookkeeping is a base of accounting, and accounting have a base of bookkeeping. Bookkeeping records all the transaction. Summarized to all that, bookkeeping is the recording of all the transaction. Accounting is the analysis of all the bookkeeping transaction. I hope the basic accounting meaning and basic bookkeeping meaning is clear. Thank you.